In the quest for global dominance, every major power has aimed to outdo the other. Nations like China, Russia, and North Korea, each with their own strategic ambitions, relentlessly chase after supremacy. But there's one country that holds a significant advantage in this race, a power that others simply cannot match. That country is the United States. For decades, the U.S. has been the uncontested leader in military aviation. But now, as the world evolves, so too does the technology that ensures American air dominance. Introducing the Next Generation Air Dominance Fighter, or NGAD, an aircraft so advanced it will redefine warfare itself. The U.S. military's commitment to remaining at the cutting edge of technology is evident in its plans for this sixth-generation fighter jet. It will be unlike anything the world has ever seen, surpassing the capabilities of even the legendary F-22 Raptor, a fifth-generation fighter that has been the gold standard for air superiority for over 2 decades. However, even the F-22's remarkable abilities are no match for the innovations being developed under the NGAD program. The NGAD fighter will embody a new era in military aviation, featuring a sleek and aerodynamic design, engineered for speed, agility, and unmatched stealth. The aircraft will boast an elongated, blended fuselage that allows it to cut through the sky with incredible efficiency, leaving behind everything the world has known before. At the heart of the NGAD fighter will be 3 game-changing technologies: Advanced Active Electronically Scanned Array, AESA radar, groundbreaking stealth capabilities, and adaptive cycle engines. Let's dive deeper into these innovations. First, the radar system. The NGAD fighter will be equipped with a new generation of AESA radar, which will give the aircraft a sense-all, kill-all advantage. AESA radars are a significant leap forward from traditional radar systems, offering several advantages. They eliminate the need for mechanical scanning, making the radar system more reliable and compact. The system can scan vast areas in real time while tracking multiple targets simultaneously, all without the need for moving parts. What sets the NGAD fighter's AESA radar apart from others is its ability to operate in stealth mode. The radar can detect and identify enemy aircraft from miles away, while remaining virtually undetectable itself. The fighter will integrate this radar into the aircraft's fuselage, eliminating the traditional bulky radar mounts, and instead relying on an innovative smart skin that enhances sensor fusion. This means the radar, electronic warfare systems, and communications will be seamlessly integrated into one cohesive system, giving the fighter an unmatched tactical picture of the battlefield. Moving on to stealth. The NGAD fighter will be designed to remain hidden from enemy radar systems, even when flying in hostile airspace. Stealth isn't just about the design, it's about minimizing the aircraft's radar cross-section, infrared emissions, and acoustic signature. The fighter will be designed with smooth, angular surfaces that deflect radar waves, and will be coated with radar-absorbing materials to further reduce its visibility. The engines and exhaust systems will also be optimized for stealth. Using advanced cooling technologies, the NGAD fighter will be able to dissipate heat efficiently, preventing infrared sensors from detecting the aircraft. Additionally, the engines will be shielded from infrared sensors, making it even harder to spot from the ground or from enemy aircraft. Finally, the acoustic signature will be minimized. Unlike older aircraft that generate loud engine sounds, the NGAD fighter will operate quietly, allowing it to stay undetected in the air. The fighter's engines, propellers, and other components will be designed with noise-canceling technology, ensuring that the aircraft remains as silent as possible during its missions. Now, let's talk about the engine. The engine powering the NGAD fighter is being developed under the Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion (NGAP) program. The NGAP engine will revolutionize the way fighter jets operate, offering unparalleled versatility. Traditional engines are limited in their ability to balance speed and range, but with adaptive cycle engines, the NGAD fighter will be able to switch between high-thrust and high-efficiency modes, depending on the mission. This adaptive engine technology will allow the NGAD fighter to go faster, fly farther, and operate more efficiently than any fighter before it. Whether it's engaging in high-speed combat or conducting long-range reconnaissance missions, the NGAD fighter will have the power to do it all. But what good is all this power if the aircraft can't be used effectively in battle? The NGAD fighter won't be operating alone. It will be part of a larger system that includes both manned and unmanned aircraft. These unmanned, loyal wingmen will support the NGAD fighter by carrying out tasks like surveillance, jamming, and strike missions, all while being controlled by the pilot in the NGAD fighter. This manned-unmanned teaming will provide the fighter with unprecedented flexibility and survivability in battle. The NGAD fighter will be able to communicate with and coordinate a wide range of unmanned aircraft, enabling it to overwhelm enemies from all angles. The system will be highly integrated, allowing for rapid communication and coordination among aircraft, ensuring the mission is always a success. All these capabilities come at a significant cost, but the U.S. government believes the investment is necessary to maintain air superiority in the coming decades. So far, over $4.2 billion has been allocated to the NGAD program, with plans to spend an additional $11.7 billion between 2024 and 2027. And this is just the beginning. By the time the NGAD fighter enters service in the 2030s, it will be the most advanced and lethal aircraft ever created. But the goal is not just to replace the F-22 Raptor. The NGAD program is designed to ensure that the U.S. remains the dominant force in the skies for the foreseeable future. As technology continues to evolve, the NGAD fighter will adapt, staying ahead of any potential adversary. The fighter's combination of stealth, speed, sensors, and weapons will make it virtually unstoppable, ensuring that the U.S. retains control of the skies for decades to come. The future of air combat is here, and it's called NGAD. With the next-generation fighter at the forefront, America will continue to dominate the skies, just as it has for the past century. So, what does this mean for the world? It means that the U.S. will maintain its position as the preeminent air power, ensuring that no other nation can challenge its superiority. The NGAD fighter represents the next step in this ongoing journey, and it will change the way wars are fought for generations to come. Stay tuned, because as the NGAD program continues to evolve, the skies are about to get a whole lot more dangerous for anyone who dares to challenge American air dominance.